In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle of arrows in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. With your canvas ready, select the line tool by pressing the L key. Then click and drag to draw a straight line. If you want it perfectly horizontal or vertical, hold Shift as you draw. With the line selected, look to the right-hand panel. In the stroke section, find the arrowhead controls and change the end of the line to an arrow shape. This converts your simple line into an arrow. While you are there, give the stroke a little weight so it reads clearly enough to be visible, but not so thick that the arrowhead loses its shape. Now position your arrow. Drag it to the top where you want the circle to begin. Think of this as the 12 o'clock point on a clock face. This placement will define the overall size of your circle. So set it roughly where you want the ring to live on your canvas. Next, duplicate and rotate. Press Command+D on a Mac, or Control+D on Windows, to create a copy of the arrow. With the new arrow selected, hover near a corner until you see the rotate cursor. Then click and rotate. Hold Shift while you rotate to lock the movement to 15-degree increments. This snapping keeps the spacing consistent. After rotating, drag the copied arrow into place, so it sits along the path of your circle. You are essentially setting the first gap and angle that every other arrow will follow. Here is the magic. Repeat the duplicate command. Press Command+D or Control+D again and again. Figma remembers the last transformation, the rotation and the move, and automatically applies it to each new copy. As you keep duplicating, the arrows will march around the circle, keeping the same angle and spacing, eventually completing the ring and meeting back at the top. If you used the 15-degree snap, you'll get a full 360-degree loop in evenly spaced steps. If something looks off, simply undo. Adjust that first rotated copy's angle or distance, and repeat the duplication so the pattern updates perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching.